हे गाइस, वेलकम टू दी अनदर वीडियो। मैं हूं आपका दोस्त नवल और आज की इस वीडियो में मैं कुछ आपको दिखाने वाला हूं स्पेशल। मैं अभी आ गया हूं बजाज और केटीएम शोरूम के बाहर एंड अभी मुझे पता चला था कि केटीएम की नई RC200 शोरूम पर आ चुकी है। तो देखते हैं। वाओ, इट्स जस्ट स्टैंडिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी। दे आर सेवरल बाइक्स स्टैंडिंग ओवर हेयर एंड यू कैन सी हाउ exactly it is looking. Wow. In my first look, the paint scheme of this bike is looking great. Now it has a pretty comfortable seat as well, what I can see over here. The another change which I can see, fairing of this bike has been changed completely. And the another change which I heard from the KTM person is that it now has the adjustable handlebar, so you can adjust this handle as per your need. If you want to ride it in the city, so you can make the posture based on the ride. It again has the same underbelly exhaust which the KTM 200 used to have earlier. It also has the upside down front fork suspension, and the rear one is the same like monoshock suspension. KTM has completely changed his bike now. It is not like the previous KTM RC200. It is a complete different KTM RC200. I can say that everything has been changed apart from the engine of this bike, and the frame of this bike is also completely different. I can see is that now KTM has divided the frame into two parts. Earlier it used to have a single frame, but now it has two frames which KTM has joined by the nut bolts over here. It has grab rails for the pillion rider as well. This is the another color you can see of the KTM RC200. That one came with the orange and black paint scheme, and this one is a little different. It has orange and kind of silver, matte silver paint scheme. The LCD screen is given. I'll try to turn it on later on and I'll show it to you. Let me try to sit on this bike. So, as said, I heard from many people that the sitting posture of this bike has been changed completely, and yes, that is absolutely correct. I can feel very comfortable while I'm sitting on this one. दोस्तों, अब क्या हो रहा है ना, पहले जब KTM RC में मैं बैठता था तो मेरी रिस्ट पर है ना बहुत ज़्यादा जोर पड़ता था, लेकिन अभी सिटिंग पोस्चर इज़ क्वाइट नॉर्मल. लेट मी टेल यू दैट KTM ने इस बाइक को थोड़ा सा एग्रेसिव कम करा है सिटिंग पोस्चर के मामले में. दैट वाज द नीड of the city as well, because we are not going to ride this beautiful beast on the tracks. We live in the city and we obviously need it on the roads. Definitely KTM ने जो इस बाइक में चेंजेस किए हैं वो आम यूजर्स की नीड्स को देखते हुए किए हैं. इसका जो फ्रंट लुक है वो काफ़ी ब्रॉड हो चुका है, and the wind screen of this bike is also quite broad. Let me try to see the mirrors. It has nice mirrors. The quality of the mirrors and the quality of the whole bike is really good. भाई सच में मानना पड़ेगा, KTM अपने प्रोडक्ट्स में काफ़ी अच्छे पार्ट्स यूज़ करता है. All the parts of this bike feels really premium. The pillion seat is pretty comfortable. I don't think it has the slipper clutch available, but still I will ask from the KTM person. I am very impressed with the work done by KTM. मैं अपनी पर्सनली बात करूँ तो मैंने पहले वाली KTM को केवल इस वजह से स्किप किया था क्योंकि वो कुछ ज़्यादा ही एग्रेसिव थी. बट दिस वन इज़ रियली नाइस. Totally we can see 1 2 3 4 5 bikes are available in this showroom right now, and definitely I'm going to get the test ride of this bike soon. I don't know the technical specifications of this bike. I'm just telling you what all are the difference are visible from the old generation RC200. The light of this bike is looking great. जैसे कि मैंने वीडियोस में देखा था उससे ये काफ़ी डिफरेंट है एंड काफ़ी डिफरेंट फील होती है. It has become more broad now, and the wind screen is quite big, which will protect you from the wind while you are driving on the higher speeds. Apart from this, I can see the disc brake of this bike has been changed. It has a bigger disc brake now, and what I heard from the KTM person is that it has a bigger tank capacity. It used to have only 9.5 liter of tank capacity earlier, but now KTM has increased it to 13.5, I believe, and that is a huge change. Especially the things which I am liking on this bike right now is that the seats are pretty comfortable now. The another thing which I liked is that it has the bigger tank capacity now, and the another good thing about this KTM is that the sitting posture has become more linear. Most of the people used to feel kind of back pain while riding this KTM earlier. Now the KTM has given a very linear sitting posture on this bike. जहाँ तक मैंने सुना है KTM ने इसकी पावर में कोई चेंज नहीं किया है, बट स्टिल जो मेन चेंज हुए हैं वो है इसकी फेयरिंग, इसका कंप्लीट डिज़ाइन और इसका सिटिंग पोस्चर, एंड जो इसकी सीट्स हैं वो चेंज हो गई हैं, एंड इसकी डिस्क ब्रेक भी चेंज हो गई है। इसके जो रिम है उसमें अर्लियर जो थे वो स्पोक ज़्यादा होते थे, बट अभी इन्होंने वेट कम करने के लिए इसमें स्पोक्स के नंबर कम कर दिए हैं। If you ask from me like how exactly it looks, so let me tell you, it looks really great.